10 milyong piso sana ang talent fee ni Sarah Geronimo para sa proyekto. Pero ayon sa Malacanang, personal itong tinanggihan ng singer nang malaman ng mensahe ng kanta.
She mentioned also that this is her contribution. This is a contribution of the entertainment industry to be able to promote music by encourage more young people.